Nothing, man.
Nomkhosi Msipha.
Nomkhosi Msipha uyabi.
Etemas.
Which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Ikwekwezi FM.
For real?
Yeah, my grandmother used to love Ikwekwezi. She used to call it Radio Devil.
Yeah! I'm going to put the sentence nasi. Kukhanya?
Ba.
Oh, okay. Osemsamo?
Limbeke emnyango. Yeah, osemsamo limbeke. Limphosa emnyango. Limphosa.
And my presenters I3 that you like of all time who Ikwekwezi, past or present.
Okay, Mbuzana Nyati.
Wow.
JD. Arvun.
Asbonga, Bekele.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, I should have mentioned you.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry.
We can edit that one out.
Yeah.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
Yeah, yeah.
Woo, daddy!
Gubano captain of Springboks.
Yo, currently I don't know, but I thought it was Siya Kulisi if they didn't change him.
Yes, thank you.
How many senses does a human being have?
5.
Can you name them?
I think it's you smell, you touch, you feel, you see, and you hear. I think so. I'm not sure, yeah.
So we don't have the capacity.
And what is the opposite of the word up?
Down.
Left?
Right.
Sorry?
3. Not sorry.
Wow, back to Limpopo.
What's the past tense of the word walk?
Walked.
Cry?
Cried.
Heard?
I heard. There's no past tense. Heard. You're hurt. Yeah, there's no past tense. Yeah.
And what bird that can swim but cannot fly?
Isn't it a penguin?
Yes.
Between a human being and a giraffe, which one has more bones than onion?
A giraffe.
What animal is on a 20-rand note?
On a 20 rand. Isn't it a rhino?
Can you name the big 5?
I think it's the elephant. Hey, the buffalo. The tiger. Crocodile. I'm not sure.
I can't believe this.
It's a wow.
The hexagon in our side angle.
Isn't it 8? I think 8. Yeah.
Can you spell Ferrari?
Ferrari. It's FERRIA.
Gune flight esuka in Johannesburg yeah, Cape Town. Na isuka la ye Johannesburg ikamba 1 hour 30 minutes. But when it came back, yeah, we are 90 minutes. Why was that?
It's the same.
Easy.
What is 99,000 plus 1?
99,000 plus 1. It's 99,001.
We are cooking.
What is 1 million minus 1?
1 million minus 1. It's the 900 something. 910,000. 900,000 something.
Altra de fau. Wallah. Yo.
In the Bible, who betrayed Jesus Christ?
Judas Iscariot.
Yes,
And Noah took 2 of each animal into the ark. But how many human beings did he take with him?
Didn't he take his wife and his kids? Didn't they 4? Yeah.
4.
I think so.
Don't lie. You see, don't lie on the public platform.
How many countries are there in Africa?
I'm not sure, but I think 52 or 51. 57.
Which is the only country in Africa that speaks Spanish?
Isn't it Ethiopia? Maybe Ethiopia.
Which country in the world has the largest population?
China. That's what China.
What do you call a person from China?
Chinese.
Poland?
Hey, Polander.
Who is the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Kok Esther Mahlangu. Astokana. Yeah.
What is an ambulance?
An ambulance is a car that carries either people or sick people.
Yeah. And what sound does it make?
Wee. Yeah.
What sound does it make?
Wee. Oh, am I wrong?
It's here?
Wee.
Wee. Ambulance.
Yeah, just wee.
Imiphakathi eqinileko nenothengelwazi amaphimbo azwakalako Ikwekwezi FM likhaya lakho kukhanya ba